Let's now discuss TCM pain discrimination, part 2 of the pattern discrimination. Here is a table showing the pain quality and most frequent associated patterns. So let's start with the quality of pain. If it's a descending pain in the chest, costal region, and abdomen, its clinical significance is chi stagnation, and the proposed acupuncture points are Tai Chong, Yang Ling Guan, Chong Wan, and Nei Guan. If it's a descending pain in the head and eyes, it indicates hyperactive liver yang, liver fire scorching ascending, and the proposed points are Tai Yang, Huang Qi, and Yang Fu. The quality of pain is stabbing. It indicates blood stasis, and the points here are Geshu and Shangzhong. If the stabbing pain also is an indication of an excess type of an obstruction of the collaterals by pathogenic cold, and here the acupuncture points is Da Shui, and we can use Moxa. If the quality of pain is a cold pain, it indicates deficiency type. It's insufficiency of yang qi. Acupuncture point here is Shen Shu, Mingmen, and we can use Moxa. If it's burning pain, it's indicative of an excess condition, an invasion of pathogenic fire to collaterals. Here we can use the Jingwell points for bloodletting. Burning pain can also be deficiency if there is an exuberant fire of yin deficiency. Here we can use Shensu, Shaohai, and Shui Guan. If the quality of pain is heavy, its clinical significance is dampness encumbering the qi dynamic. Headache with sensation of heaviness can be due to hyperactive liver yang. Here we can use Bai Hui, Ji Yang, Qi Hai, and Yang Ling Guan. If the quality of pain is sore, its indication is invasion of pathogenic dump obstructing the flow of qi and blood, and malnutrition of bones and marrow due to kidney deficiency. We can use the acupuncture point Shen Mai, Hao Shi, Shaohai, and Ningmen. Okay. If it's colic pain, its clinical significance is excess pathogenic factor obstructing the qi dynamic, a cold congelation obstructing the free flow of qi. You can use Tai Chong, Hegu, and Qi Hai. If it's hollow pain, it's insufficiency of qi, blood, essence, and marrow. You can use Pishu, Shanshu, Tai Bai, and Tai Shi. If it's headache pain, it's insufficiency of yang qi, essence, and blood, malnutrition to the channels of the internal organs. We can use Guanyuan, Mingmen, Pishu, and Shansu. If it's migrating pain in the chest, costal region, and abdomen, it's indicative of qi stagnation. We can use Tai Chong, Ji Gu, and Qi Men. If it's trespassing pain in the limbs and joints, it's wind damp painful obstruction. And we can use Yang Ling Guan, Ying Ting Quan. If it's a fixed pain in the chest, costal region, and abdomen, it is indicative of blood stasis. You can use Geshu, Shang Chong, San Yan Jiao. If it's fixed pain in the limbs and joints, it's damp, cold, or damp heat obstruction, heat accumulation, and blood stasis. We can use the acupuncture point in Ling Guan, Yi Qi, Shui Hai, and Kunlun. If it's a pulling pain, it's indicative of malnutrition to tendinous channel, obstruction to the flow of tendinous and muscular. We can use Qinshu and Shuangchong. The patterns associated with various pain types. So if it's sore or aching pain, it's deficiency, damp evil, or cold evil, mostly in the limbs and trunk, liver and kidney deficiency, invasion of wind, cold, and damp. If it's distending pain, it's an impaired qi dynamic, liver depression, qi stagnation, counterflow liver yang, wind heat contraction, phlegm and food collecting internally, liver qi assailing the stomach, stagnant food accumulation. If it's hidden or dull pain, its deficiency, especially when relieved by pressure or rubbing yang, qi deficiency or depletion of yin and blood that cause failure to nourish the channels. Or it could be spleen, stomach deficiency, cold, or blood deficiency, headache. If it's hollow or empty pain, it's deficiency patterns, headaches due to depletion of kidney essence, qi, and blood depletion. If it's cold pain, cold evil obstructing the network of vessels, yang qi deficiency. If it's a colic or gripping pain, it's cold evil assailing the interior, obstruction by tangible gallstones, blood stasis, or phlegm turbidity. If it's heavy pain, it indicates dampness. It's pulling pain, means the sinews lacking nourishment, and liver patterns, wind cold, phlegm, or blood stasis obstructing the sinews. If it's burning pain, there is repletion heat or vacuity heat. If it's migrating, it's impaired qi dynamic. And if it's, or it could be wind prevailing. If it's stabbing pain, it's blood stasis. Now we go to the most frequent patterns of pain and its related therapeutic principles. So first we have cold pathogenic factor in the surface. The therapeutic principle here would be warm the channels, disperse cold, relieve pain. The proposed point formula, we can use moxibustion on Hegu and Dashui. If it's cold evil in the interior, the therapeutic principle would be warm the middle, disperse cold, and relieve pain. And we can use the points Pishu, Zusan Li, and we can use moxibustion. If it's deficient or vacuous cold pain, we can strengthen the upright qi, warm the interior, relieve pain. And the points Mingmen, Guanyuan, Shansu, Chaishi, and Pishu and Taibai. If it's heat accumulation pain, the therapeutic principle here would be to clear heat, resolve depression, relieve pain. And the points will be Chu Chi, Yang Lingguan, Jai Chi, Chin Chen. If it's qi stagnation pain, we mobilize qi, guide out obstruction, and relieve pain. You can use the points Taichung, Neiguan, Qi Hai, and Hugu. If it's blood stasis pain, we unblock the channels, quicken the blood, and relieve pain. And the points here with the Gongsun, Neiguan, Qi Hai, Gishu, and Sanyan Jiao. If it's liver qi depression pain, we soothe the liver, regulate qi, and relieve pain. You can use Taichung, Xinchan, Fuyang, Yang Lingquan, and Qi Men. If it's food stagnation, stomach duct pain, we scatter food accumulation, transform stagnation, and relieve pain. We use the points Neiguan, Zhongwan, Susan Li, Yangmen, Jiansu. If it's wind cold pain, we eliminate wind, disperse cold, and relieve pain. We use the points Fengmen, Peishu, Haoqi, and Chianmai. If it's wind damp pain, we expel wind, disinhibit dampness, and relieve pain. We use the acupuncture points Yang Lingguan, Min Lingguan, Zhu Bin, and Chinmen. Thank you for your attention.